guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a DIY all natural hair mask for fast hair growth, thickness, and length retention. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Alright, so the first thing that you need for this DIY treatment are strawberries, and 3 should be more than enough. Strawberries are a great natural moisturizer for your hair, and it also promotes silky shiny hair and prevents hair thinning. The next thing you need for this DIY treatment is a handful of blueberries. Blueberries are great for hair growth, and when applied to the scalp it actually helps with the blood circulation. They also contain vitamins such as C, E, and B, which are all great at promoting healthy hair growth. So what you're going to do is blend these 2 fruits together in a blender. And once it is done blending, you're going to go ahead and pour it into a bowl. And you only want to use the juice from these fruits, so you might need a strainer for this process. Next, I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the extra virgin Greek olive oil. If you don't have Greek olive oil, you can just use regular olive oil. Olive oil helps your hair grow healthier and stronger. It also softens your hair and prevents split ends. And the last thing I'm going to be adding to this treatment is my avocado hair mask. And this is the mask I created with Belle, and this mask is 100% natural. If you want to know more about the ingredients in this mask, I will link below a video talking all about the collection that I came out with. So I'm going to just use a few scoops of this and mix it all together. So when you are done, the mask should look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this mask to freshly washed hair. I'm just going to section out my hair into 4 sections and apply the mask thoroughly throughout my entire head of hair, focusing more on the roots, which will help with the hair growth process, and the ends, which will help retain length. So after I'm done applying this mask throughout my hair, I'm going to leave the mask on for about an hour or more. And after about an hour, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair with warm water thoroughly in the shower, and then go ahead and style as usual. So this is how my hair looks after the treatment before it dries, and as you can see, it's super defined and shiny and healthy looking. This is how my hair looks after it dries, and after about an hour of air drying my hair, I'm going to go ahead and pick it out, and these are my results. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And you can follow me on any of my social media at Maryam J. Hampton. Hit the bell, the notifications will come straight to your phone. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!